we have x plus 1 times y prime plus y equals natural log x, and it will be an initial value problem where x at 1 should equal 10. Now, following from the intro, we know that the goal is to have it in this form. So how do we do that? Obviously, we want the y prime by itself, so we divide the x plus 1 over, and now we have the p of x and the g of x. And the very next step was to have this represent the product rule. So in order to do that, we go ahead and multiply the u, and we see that the u prime will have to be u over x plus 1. We go ahead and rewrite it at d over dx. We get the u's and the x's on each side. Upon integrating, we should have the natural log of u equals natural log of x plus 1 plus c. And then we take the e to the power of on each side. And upon solving that, we should be able to get the following. Now that we have u, let's go ahead and solve for, or let's go ahead and reverse the product rule. So we have uy prime equals u natural log of x over x plus 1. We integrate. And then upon integrating, we have the uy by itself. We divide the u over, so now we have the y by itself. We substitute back in for u, or the integrating factor. We cancel the c's. We cancel the x plus 1. And now, we could belabor ourselves and try to solve the natural log, but I'm going to go ahead and let you try to do that, or maybe just Google it. But it comes out to x natural log x minus x. And this right here is the solution. Now, we're not going to solve the initial value problem just yet. Let's go ahead and, or meaning we're not going to plug in for the initial value just yet. Let's go ahead and analyze it first. So, clean the slate. And first thing we know that the first term is our particular solution, and then the next is a homogeneous solution. Obviously, it should be of this form. It's not that clear yet, but I'll let you solve that for the homogeneous equation by letting it set to 0. So next, let's go ahead and plug in our initial value so we can solve for our constant. So upon plugging in 1 for x and y for, 10 for y, we have this. This should simplify to 10 equals negative 1 half plus c over 2. Further on, we should be able to get c equals 21. And then plugging in y equals 1 over x plus 1, x natural log x minus x plus 21. And this right here is our solution for the initial value problem.